Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Leo. Leo people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Leo people, in this reading, first of all, I am going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. So Leo people, this is your current energy and this is your partner's current energy. Alright. Two of Pentacles. It seems like you are dwelling in two things, okay? You are traveling in two boats at the same time, okay? You are confused, or perhaps you are doing a lot of work at the same time, okay? You are doing a lot of juggling in your life. Plus, you are being somebody who is hiding your emotion, who is not thinking about your emotion, okay? You are just continuously working because you are being someone who is completely busy in certain things, that you do not have time to think about your emotions, think about your own feelings, okay? And you are juggling a lot. Now let's see what is your partner's current energy. Page of Pentacles. Alright, so this person is someone who really wants to invest in something, okay? The investment could be money, time, efforts, energy, emotion, okay? And the investment can be towards you, their future, their career, their business, their job. Something is there. So this person is ready to invest their part of emotion, their part of love, their part of affection, their part of money, their part of finance to something, okay? This person wants to start something new, basically, okay? Now let's see what you think about them, what they think about you, what actions you are going to take towards them, and what actions they can take towards you. Oh, so many cards. What do you think about them? What they think about you? What actions you are going to take towards them? What actions they are taking towards you? Let's see what you think about them. Thunderbolt. According to you, your person has been through some tough time. According to you, your person has been through some life-changing events in past, or perhaps they are going through some drastic changes in their life, okay? It seems like, according to you, they are somebody who is facing a lot of trouble in their personal life, and that trouble could be from anyone. That trouble could be from you, that trouble could be from their family, from their friends, from their loved ones. They must be going through some tough time in their job. Alright, now let's see how your person sees you. Fighting. Your person sees you as somebody who is a warrior, who is a fighter, okay, who knows what is best for me, who has the voice to stand for themselves, okay? So your person sees you as somebody who is always ready to fight for their own things, for their own happiness, for their own people. Alright, you are ready with your get up, that hey, I am ready to fight, okay? So that's how your person sees you. Now let's see, Leo, what actions you are going to take towards them. It seems like it's been long that you guys are not together, so perhaps you are dreaming about it, perhaps you are manifesting about it, perhaps you are visualizing it, that one day we will be together, okay? One day we'll talk, one day we'll see each other, one day we'll talk, we'll touch each other. Alright, so right now you are dreaming about your person, right now you are dreaming about the quality time which you had spent with them, and perhaps you are manifesting, or perhaps you are visualizing the quality time which you can spend with them in future. On the other hand, your person's action towards you is exhaustion. Your person is completely exhausted. It could be because of this thunderbolt situation, because as I told you that you you see them as someone who is going through a lot of tough time in life. Perhaps this person is completely exhausted. This person do not want to do anything. This person is not interested in anything right now. They just want to calm their mind. They just want to, work on their mental peace, work on their positivity and all that. But when it comes to taking any actions, this person is completely exhausted. Okay, now let's see what is going to be the future potential. What's going to be the future potential? Wow, future is good for you. 10 of Cups. I'm seeing a very good and bright future for both of you. Okay, no matter how hard the situation is right now, everything is going to be changed in coming time, because you guys will be together. You guys will be enjoying the best time of your life. You guys will have a good home, good family, you guys will make a family with each other. That's what I'm seeing. Lot of abundance, prosperity, lot of divine protection is around you and around your family. All right, so this is the future potential for this relationship. Now let's see what angels are asking you to do. What angels? Peaceful resolution. As I told you, the moment you guys will be together, this thing is going to give you abundance. This card shows that you are going to experience the most prosperous time of your life when you guys will be together in future, and that thing is definitely going to provide you the peaceful resolution. All right, okay. So Leo, it seems like some of you could be dealing with earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Some of you could be dealing with water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. It could also happen that some of you could be dealing with another fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and we have air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius also in this reading. Okay, so Leo people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.